Welcome to BabyQur, where we share practical guides, honest reviews, and easy-to-follow tips to make parenting simpler. I'm Luis Martinez, the founder and editor. I started BabyQur after realizing just how overwhelming baby gear shopping can be. Our mission is straightforward. We turn expert research and hands-on testing into clear, trustworthy advice you can rely on. We create buying guides, comparisons, and how-tos for strollers, car seats, and everyday baby essentials. We break down standards and safety information into plain English, and we're transparent about our process from the criteria we use to evaluate products to the sources we reference. Our recommendations are independent. They're based on thorough research, hands-on testing whenever possible, and input from experts, not on advertising or sponsorships. Every article is fact-checked and regularly reviewed. If something changes, like a price drop, a recall, or a new policy, we update the page and add a last updated note. Safety is always our top priority. We follow manufacturer guidelines and advice from recognized safety organizations. When there's any doubt, we err on the side of caution. We also explain exactly why a product made our list, considering fit, ease of use, safety features, value, and availability. Some links on BabyQur are affiliate links. If you buy through them, we may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. This helps support our work and doesn't affect which products we feature or how we write about them. Meet our team, Luis Martinez, founder and editor. He leads our editorial strategy, oversees product testing, and gives final approval to our buying guides. Tahmina, Sharif, Nimmi, content writer. She researches brands, compares specs, and turns complex details into helpful step-by-step advice. Carlos, Rivera, research specialist. He verifies claims, checks for recalls and standards, and keeps our source library up to date. When we share safety guidance like how to install a car seat or use a stroller, we consult qualified professionals, such as child passenger safety technicians, CPSTs, before publishing or updating articles. If you spot an error or outdated information, please let us know. We'll investigate quickly and update the page, noting what's changed.